Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can lock your Facebook profile. So, once you have opened your Facebook application in your mobile, simply click on the three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, then once you are in the menu, simply click on this see your profile option right here. Once you have clicked here, it will lead you to your profile page. Then what you need to do is click on these three vertical dots present besides the edit profile button. Once you have clicked here, you can see the fifth option which says lock profile. Simply click on this lock profile button and it will give you an option to lock your profile. So let's understand what locking your profile actually does. If you choose to lock your profile, only friends will be able to see your photos, posts and stories on your profile, and only friends will able to see your full resolution profile pictures and cover photo. And people will only be able to search for you and send you friend requests and nothing else. So, in order to proceed, simply click on this lock your profile button at the bottom. Once you have clicked here, the process will begin and it will lock your Facebook profile. And now here you can see that the profile has been locked, and now you can see this message which appears which says you have locked your profile. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.